Hey friends, let's take our cranberry sauce to the next level with a festive twist. This holiday season, we're blending the classic tartness of cranberries with vibrant flavors of pineapple, orange, apple, and a hint of cinnamon. To start, we'll add 1 cup of cranberries to 2 cups of water, along with a sliced orange, a sliced apple, remove the seeds, and a sliced around 4 slices of medium pineapple. Then we'll add a stick of cinnamon. For sweetness, we'll add 2 cups of cane sugar, or you could use honey if you like. Then we'll let simmer for 10 to 15 minutes or until beautifully thickens. Once it's done, serve chill. It's perfect over ham, turkey, or chicken. And the best part of this delicious cranberry sauce is it's perfect for sandwich after the holiday season. Do give this recipe a try. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share. The recipe is in the description below. Thank you for watching. Bye.